In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Python interpreter. So open your browser, go to python.org. So you're going to come here to download. So at the recording of this video, the latest version is 3.14.6. Chances are when you're watching this video in the future, it's going to be a later version. So that I'm going to download this, save it in downloads. Okay, so this is a very small file, but the speed at which it downloads depends on the speed of your internet. So this is done. So we are going to install it now. So this is the previous version I had on my computer. So let's see this. So there's something I want you to take note of here. If you are using a Windows, you will see a checkbox here like add to path. So please check that box. It's going to save you a lot of headaches later. So let's continue. So continue. So we agree. Install. So mine requires a password. Yours might not require a password. So I'm going to enter the password. So this is going to probably take like a minute or two. I'm going to pause this video and come back. So now it is downloaded. So we can open our terminal to inspect it, or you can call it maybe command prompt on Windows. So I'm going to look at the version. So on Windows, it is Python version, but on Mac, use Python 3 version, rather, not just version. So on Windows, it is Python version like this. Let me show you that again. So you click enter if it is on Windows, but on Mac, use Python 3 version. So you get it. So we can see the version. You can also try this out with the Python interactive shell. So on Windows, you press Python and enter, but on Mac, Python 3 and then enter. So you can try out some expressions like 3 plus 4 or 54, whatever. So this is 57. So 6 minus 2. So we get a result. So you can try out a lot of things. Okay, so we can multiply. So we can try out a lot of things. Can also try out Boolean expressions. Don't worry about this. Later in the course, you know more about Boolean expressions. So it's 5 equals to 5. That is true. So we can say 6 less than 9. That is true. We can say 9 greater. Let's say greater than 12. Is that true? No, that is false. So these are Boolean expressions in Python. But don't worry about this. You get to know more about it in the course. So, but I just showed you how you can install Python interpreter. So you can exit out of this by using the exit and the parentheses like this. So that's it.